Hey there, tech enthusiast. Welcome back to Prime Coding channel. I am Aditya, and in today's video, we have exciting news for you all. Yes, Hexaware has started hiring for 2025 batch, and in this video, we'll discuss the most important topics or the recruitment process of Hexaware. So without wasting time, let's focus on the topics and the recruitment process of Hexaware. The eligibility criteria at Hexaware, which is on-campus opportunity for 2025 batch, and if this opportunity or notification is not came to you in your TPO cell, so don't worry, just prepare for it because you have an idea now. Yes, Hexaware is hiring for 2025 batch, and in the previous years, if this company is legit to your campus, which means this company will 100% visit your campus. So please, why not you will prepare yourself before company visit? Is it? It would be an upper hand on the other candidates. Yes. So eligibility criteria details would be graduation, BE, BTech, MCA not eligible. Not eligible would be ME, MTech. It is not for MTech, which is a good point, is it? So streams which are eligible for CSE, IT, EC, EEE, ETC, EIE, etc. and not eligible would be mechanical, which is non-circuital branch are not eligible for this opportunity. Academic and graduation criteria, 60% or 6 CGPA throughout 10th and 12th and U undergrad and post-graduation. No backlogs, active backlogs when you are sitting in this company recruitment process. Education gap, 1 year considered. So 1 year education gap is considered, which is a very good initiation by this Hexaware, isn't it? So aptitude, it consists of 78 questions of 1 mark each. Section, number of question and time we'll discuss. Quants, you can see 48 shared and 48 minutes, for which means is for each question, for one question you have 1 minute to solve. And I will tell you, in few colleges previously, Hexaware asked from home. This test was from home, but in few colleges they call at in campus. So please prepare for this company right now, right away. Yeah, for one question you will have 1 minute with you, and English there will be 48 questions, 15 minutes. So yeah, it would be a very easy questions. Logical questions, 48 shared and 48 minutes, is it? So these shared means these questions are interrelated to each other. It's not that mandatory that all these questions as particular quantity would be there. It is shared, is it? So technical and computer MCQ, for this section we have something for you. Yeah, the 30 questions would be there and 30 minutes would be there. So yeah, now which types of question the Hexaware asked in technical and computer MCQ you can expect on this Prime Coding channel. But when? Well, this video hits 100 likes and 100 comments, then definitely I will create the MCQ series of Hexaware of the topic technical computer. Okay, so it would be very helpful for you beforehand, and you will make sure that you have solved previous year questions, because I will take out all the previous year question patterns in that MCQ video, so that this would be 100% short and you will get 30 marks in this session. So why you are wasting time? Share with your friends, which will indirectly help you to reach this 100 comments task. And please do like this video, then only I will upload the particular thing, is it? So now, technical interview. If it is technical interview, you are at the right place, Prime Coding. If you have not subscribed the Prime Coding channel yet, please do consider subscribing it, like this video, and do share with your batchmates, friends and your loved ones, so that they will also get a guided path and they can also do something in their career, is it? So prepare OOPS concept, SDLC models. If you know Java, then concepts of Java mostly ask DB queries. All these tips would be given by our team and from Prime Coding, I would say, because these tips has been taken out from the internet after rigorous searching, is it? So technical questions about programming languages such as C, C++, Java, Python, computer fundamentals such as DBMS, object-oriented programming, and much all. So you might be thinking, Aditya, if I got shortlisted in interview, it might be I would not able to solve because I don't have grip over it. So why you are being tested, my dear? I am here for you. Prime Coding is just known for clearing your technical interview. Yes, and all these stuffs we'll discuss in the last, is it? Now, communication assessment. So Metal platform is a totally for computer-based test, and there are 4 sections. Section 1, you have to record the sentence given there and the passage is displayed. Section 2 would be passage is played and you have to listen that carefully and then answer the question based on passage. Great. So they give you some time to think on some topic and then record for 1 minute. Similar to Accenture or and many other like Canon, many other companies do this section 3 usually. Is it dream house? What do you like do in weekend? These types of behavioral questions you can expect in your communication assessment. So writing skills. Topic will be provided. You have to write 200 words in 15 minutes. Bingo. So you need to write a passage over it. Okay. So now the thing is mock 1-to-1 interview session. Why I have mentioned this is because if you qualified for the technical role, then basically you need a hands-on experience all the topics that you can expect in your interview. Let it be resume based or let it be your technical core based. Is it? So I have researched for you all the questions that you can expect. Is it? So all these questions I will ask you, I will check your communication skills, I will assess your skills, I will tell you your communication skills are being lagging here, you are not being well versed in your representation skills. I will correct you also, like this paragraph you need to speak like this and you need to explain this question like this. There is a particular manner and how you need to do the correction in your resume, because resume plays an important role in your interview. And if you got towards the interview or selected in the interview, guys, don't waste this opportunity, because in 2024 the recession was on the peak and many of the people were not getting the offers. Okay, so you are being lucky you got an interview mail, so don't waste it. Just head on to this particular website primecoding.in. You will get to know every types of roles. Just book your session so that you will make sure that you will grab this particular opportunity and you will be tension free. Is it? So this session contains ace your interviews definitely, because we have 99% of accuracy, and I will start upload podcast of where people got shortlisted, expert feedback given by me and my teammates, and real world simulation, create and boost your confidence. See, if you get to know about your weakness and how you need to overcome that, so what is the issue in it? You just need to work on it and you will ace your interview. Yes. So round 4, it is HR round. Tell me about yourself and your family. What makes you think? So these types of questions were asked recently. That's why I took all these questions in that particular PPT. That would be helpful for you so that you can just pause this video and take a screenshot of it. Yeah. Or else, if you need this PPT, just join the Telegram group, not only for the PPT stuff, for each and every company notes are provided in the Telegram group. And we have 8K plus people in our Telegram group, which will help you if you have any issues in any of the path, or maybe the question issue, if you're not able to understand something. Our community is filled with real minds. So please join today and call yourself as a brilliant mind. Is it? Without wasting time, resources that will help you to is other opportunity that is coming in, like Accenture. I hope these types of notification were inside your college TPO. Is that Infosys recently happened, and in the future also you will expect some Infosys off campus drive too in October or in November. So do that for sure. Prepare for this particular thing, and the coding sheet of Accenture and advanced software associate engineer, software engineer sheet is also live. So if you have not watched that video, I will make sure you will make sure that you should watch it, because do aim for 6 LPA job. Why you are thinking for 4 LPA job? Is it? So now, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you have not. Share with your friends, and let's make a community of people who will help each other to ace in their career path. So we'll meet you with a new video soon.